Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both spectacles and skin. This reduces irritation that causes pigmentation. First, clean frames and wipe the bridge. Oil traps sweat and darkens skin. Once done, adjust nose pads and temple tension so the frames sit with 1 to 2 millimeters clearance. That limits friction, which drives inflammation. Then apply a cold compress for 5 to 10 minutes to constrict blood vessels and lower puffiness. These first steps cut the root causes, so later treatments work faster and last longer. Once the contact issue is controlled, treat the pigment and vascular component. You should apply a topical antioxidant like vitamin C or niacinamide in the morning to brighten and stabilize capillaries. Use 5-10% formulations and follow with SPF. At night, introduce a low-strength retinol every other night to speed cellular turnover. Start with 0.25 to 0.05% and increase only as tolerated. Meanwhile, make sure to restore the barrier by layering a gentle moisturizer, keeping actives balanced to avoid new irritation. To finish, you implement mechanical and cosmetic solutions together. Book a frame refit or swap to lighter rims and thinner lenses to remove residual pressure points. This prevents recurrence. For immediate appearance, use a peach or orange color corrector, then a concealer matched to your skin tone. Continue daily SPF and your chosen actives for maintenance. If irritation, increased darkness, or persistent redness occurs, stop all actives for 7 to 10 days. Use barrier repair only and consult a dermatologist. This simple troubleshooting often prevents scarring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.